Ever wondered how chefs around the world prepare such appetizing dishes with the very same everyday ingredients we use in our kitchens? Well, look no further. We will show you how to earn your first Michelin star with flying colors. Are you watching this Crafty Hackers video for the first time? Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more. Now, let's get cooking. Spaghetti and hot dogs. Yup, you got it right. Not spaghetti with hot dogs. Pierce the spaghetti through the hot dog bites. Simply put, Italian meets American. Turkey cheese flowers. Spray vegetable oil onto a cupcake baking tray. Then follow my steps. Cranberry Walnut Pie. You can have your pie and eat it too. It's all about the filling. Let's put together a delicious mix of camembert cheese, walnuts, and cranberry jam. You will definitely love it. Turkey and mushroom pie. Dust the work surface and the rolling pin with plain flour, then roll out the puff pastry. Now lay out all your ingredients. Follow me and you will have the best turkey and mushroom pie ever. Mozzarella Turkey Sub. Pour all the ingredients into a bowl of 3 whipped eggs and mix well. Hollow out a part of the baguette. You can use the pulp for something else. Fill it up with your delectable creation. Molten Choco Sweet Potato Muffin. Quite a mouthful. On the contrary, it's very simple. Bring some ready-made sweet potato muffins and fill them with chocolate. Work on the display and complete your menu with this sweet entry. That's it for easy cooking hacks that will make you look like a chef. Which one of these hacks are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time.